Welcome, in this video we are going to learn email harvesting with Metasploit. Out of the many useful auxiliary modules that Metasploit has, one is called Search Email Collector, which searches Google, Bing and Yahoo for email addresses associated to a particular domain. This is useful in automated information gathering during a penetration test program. The location inside MSF console is auxiliary/gather/search email collector. Let's launch MSF console. Type search gather auxiliary. Towards the lower part, we see the module called search email collector. This is the one we are going to use. Load the search email collector module. Type use auxiliary gather search email collector. Type info. Here you can see that module information, basic options, domain, the domain name to locate email addresses for, out file, a file name to store generated email list, and so on. The important option to fill is the domain name. Apart from that, the search engine to use can be selected. By default, Google, Bing, Yahoo, all three are selected. Set the domain name and run the scanner. Set domain name as anonymous website. Execute it. Here you can see that email's name. Email harvesting can be used by hackers to carry out a phishing campaign against an entire organization. This is one aspect of how email can be misused. Computer users who are often unaware of phishing attack can fall victim and end up losing confidential information to the hackers or getting their system compromised. If a hacker gets control of single machine inside an organization network, it might open for him the path to access and exploit the entire network of organization. Although phishing is a social engineering attack that is amongst the least dangerous one, but given the right opportunity to the hacker, it has the potential to lead to the worst security breaches. This particular technique of email harvesting is based on data from search engines and therefore is not supposed to be very accurate. Email addresses that are found on web pages and become visible to the search engines are crawled. Those can be discovered by using proper search parameter in respective search engine. So that's all in email harvesting with Metasploit. Thank you for watching this video.